We are back. So as you can see, the panels have returned. What had to be done is the chrome had to be removed because, as you recall, the chrome was busy peeling and chipping. So sticking a wrap onto this would have been very dangerous, very poor quality, because your wrap would have eventually started to peel off on all the edges and the corners due to the poor quality chrome. Well, not poor quality, just how it was busy falling apart. I didn't remove it over the badges, so the guys that does the wrap, they're going to have to remove the badge and replace the badge. So, and as you now know, these panels are going to get wrapped. But how cool does this look? I actually want to leave it like this. Anyways, I've got 13 panels here. All of them are waiting for the wrap to arrive. Unfortunately, the wrap is stuck at sea, so panels are still with me, and the entire project is now being delayed into the new year. The tank, we found 3 dents in the tank, so the tank actually had to get flattered, repaired, primered, and resprayed. Our tank is now looking good again. But the best part is now also here. We have received the wheels. The wheels have arrived. How amazing does this look? So Dougie from Garage 23 decided that, or suggested that, instead of just making a solid line here, we actually blend it into the black so that it doesn't look too obvious with that solid black line mixing between the black and the green. The green he's matched perfectly to the color of the bike, and I think this just looks flippin' amazing. I really hope that the owner's gonna love it. So I now need to get this prepped, put the discs back onto the wheel. This one doesn't need anything, and we're gonna send this off to TrackMac and get the tires put back on so that I can reassemble the bike and get it into a roller. Let's shoot off to TrackMac. We have arrived at TrackMac. So I've put the discs on. They're gonna give me some new black valves. And we're fitting the tires. The famous TrackMac. One of my favorite places is the Master Man. He's gonna sort everything out. So you can see it's brand new tires, so they've put a little cloth around the clamps. How neat, how nice.
What do you say, Manu?
As a new year, my bro, I don't see anything. I want to keep my teeth.
You mustn't say nothing. Not like that.
Smile. You're okay.
They see me rolling. Haha! We are back on 2 wheels. Right, now that I have this bike back on 2 wheels, I can start cleaning it, getting it ready to be reassembled. We're just waiting for that phone call to say that I can deliver the panels, and yeah, then hopefully I'm done with this bike. So as you can see, the wheels are on. What I forgot to show you is the levers. The levers were also touched up, resprayed. They're looking beautiful. The mirrors has also been resprayed. So what we did here was, got rid of all the stone chips and gave it that OEM grey gunmetal glittery look. So just take a look at this. There we have it. Mirrors are looking almost brand new again. So in a crazy attempt to get this bike done and delivered before Christmas, I was pushing these guys, get my mirrors done, get my levers done, get my wheels done, and then the wrap was stuck at sea, stuck at customs, stuck somewhere over the Christmas, December holidays. So it is only, well, we're still waiting for it to arrive. I'm hoping to get a phone call anytime soon. And then the panels can go away, the bike can be assembled, and this bike can finally be delivered. Anyways, guys, let's get this thing cleaned up, buttoned up. I need to, what do I need to do here? I need to strip down this engine cover, not this engine cover, this front sprocket cover. Give this undercarriage a complete deep clean. Clean in the forks, clean underneath, under the engine, under the oil, under the chain, everywhere, inside all of here like I would normally do on the engine. Reassemble, put these things back, get the bike fully prepped and ready for when the panels return. Once the panels return, everything needs to go on. We've got some new bolts, we've got more new bolts, black, silver, different lengths. The whole bike's going to be reassembled with brand new hardware, cleaned up, polished up. What am I missing? I probably want to steam clean the seat, get some upholstery cleaner for that, scrub that down. Oh, the exhaust. You guys saw what we did to the bullnose exhaust when we were busy cleaning that thing. I'm going to try to do the same thing on this exhaust, get it nice and clean, nice and shiny. We won't get all the rust off, I don't think so, but I'm going to try my best. So, without further ado, let's get this thing wheeled out, hosed down. I'm not going to show you how to wash a bike, you've seen me do that already. But let's just speed through that process. Let's go. First up, my special pre-wash degreasing formula that I mixed up myself. We're going to soak this bike in this and let all the dirt just run down. We'll see it all sitting in the foam as it runs down. Man, I love this part. Making sure we get in here. Oh, there's the lighting. Get in here, get the engine fully coated. This stuff does all the work without you having to lift a finger. Look at that. The foam is black. There we go. Now we let it sit for a while. We let all this dirt soak off. And then we give it a nice clean. So now that the pre-wash is done, all the surface level dirt is soaked off. We can now see where she needs some special attention. You'll see I've already given the chain its first clean. Front sprocket is nice and cleaned out. I tried to clean as much as possible here. So it's going to get its second clean on there. Underneath in the suspension, I'm going to give it a clean in there. In here, there's a lot of dust buildup in the battery tray, in the little grooves here. So I'm going to give that clean with the brush. A little bit of dust buildup in here. Give that a light clean. All the surface level dirt in the front here is off. There's some scratches and stuff on the stone chips on the radiator guard. I think I'm going to give that a little respray. Scuff it up, respray it. Our headers need some attention. And then you can see here the engine has been, that is nice and clean. Down here, the sump, decent. Everything is decently clean. So my next focus is probably remove the radiator guard. I'm not going to remove the headers. I'm going to try and do what I can on the bike. The exhaust is already off. I've got a new set of rear sets that's going to replace these. So yeah, now it's just a nice basic foam wash, and we'll move on from there. This kid just stopped to ask if we could take a pic. This bike looks amazing. Yo, that thin layer of dust really made a difference. All of this, there was this little white dust in here. So now I just need to give it a nice little polish. Run through it here with like a silicone cloth, you want to call it that, and then a little detailer, and then this engine will really shine. I think this bike came out amazing. Let's check out the chain. Do you approve? Okay, here's your chain. Do you approve? Did I do a good enough job? Mostly there's some old rust buildup from the previous, the fact that this bike has been standing for a while, previous owners, all of that. Good news, guys. I just got told that the wrap has arrived in country. So I need to get the panels ready and take it off to wrap mods. Okay, I've got the top fairing, the nose cowl. Then for the tail, I've got the tail piece and the two side pieces. This goes on the tank. The tank is still on the bike. This goes in here on the center of the tail. This goes on the belly. Need the front hugger, and our two side panels. Our tank. that's everything. So this panel goes in the tank. The opposite side to this one is currently sitting with the wrap guys. They used it as a test panel. So yeah, I'm quickly going to give these a wipe down. Some of these are still covered in sanding dust. They're a little bit dirty. I didn't have time. I would have loved to see what this looks like on the bike. Give it that mean, aggressive look. But anyways, quickly going to wash these down, pop them in the car and shoot through to the wrap mods. Right guys, we have arrived at wrap mods. This is everything. The guys are busy turning a white polo yellow. Who in their right mind would want a yellow polo? Anyways, so this is what wrap mods looks like. This place looks freaking amazing. There's Mikhail's BM standing. Also looks great. Guys need any wrapping done to your cars, to your bikes, to anything, helmets, whatever. I'll give these guys a shout. They are flipping amazing. I'm not going to show you the color right now, but you can imagine it's one of these. It's in this room, it's in this video. The color's in this video, but I'm not going to tell you what color this bike's going to be. You'll have to figure it out. So that's it guys. This was a day well spent. As you saw, we got the phone call. The panels have been delivered. I'm going to take off the radiator. I'm going to polish up the exhaust, sorting that out in the next video. After that, we'll hopefully collect the panels soon, assemble this bike, and get this beast back on the road. So stay tuned. We are almost there. We're almost at the finish line. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and catch you at the next one. Peace!